we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. And 21,578 trying to get in that upper basket. 23,678 getting into that lower basket. Red v blue for our basket slam dunkerinos. Never mind, we only have the one slam dunkerino for 23,678, but it looks like we are getting a second one now from 21578. They're going in for their third sample. Slightly misaligned, but we're still running because it's autonomous. It's all pre-programmed. That's the beauty of autonomous. Look at that.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we are all moving about here. Looks like 13,828 is trying to get those samples in front of their observation zone to probably be able to drop it off for their human player to make into specimens. 261,62 looks like they're also trying to work with their human player to get that specimen on the wall over in that observation zone. 23,678 trying to grab those Alliance non-specific samples to put into the baskets, and it looks like their Alliance partner dropped off a blue sample right behind them to hopefully get it into that net zone right below those baskets. It looks like we're taking turns over on that far side of the field between 21,578 and 13,828 to be able to get those samples inside the submersible zone. Going back and forth here, it looks like we already have a pretty full basket for Red Alliance. We're gonna see if maybe they can get a couple more in as we still have around 58 seconds remaining in this match. 261,62 now has that sample in their gripper, so they're gonna be trying to line it up and clip it down. 13,828 now trying to get those color-specific samples, it looks like, as opposed to the yellow ones, to try and make sure that they are possibly going to clip it. We don't know. We're going to have to see what they do with it. 23,678 going back into that bucket as well. It looks like probably 5 or 6 of those samples are already up there as we are now getting the 30 seconds. 21578 continuing to try and fill in as many as possible, trying to tap those pieces down to try and make a little bit more room. And we do have to be a little careful here because we are getting into our end game, and it looks like we are able to get out with no contact, thankfully, for either of these teams. That might negatively affect. It looks like we have a nice hang here. We're counting it down with 3, 2, 1, and time.